This vibrant dip isn't just pretty. It's packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and all the stuff that your body actually craves, plus natural iron. This is how you turn everyday boring vegetables into a satisfying, healing meal. Do you know that most store-bought dips are full of inflammatory oils and hidden sugars? This one is different. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. So I leave the skin on, just cut the little tail off a little bit for extra nutrients. I scrub it really, really well. And we're gonna roast it just like this. Transfer to a bowl here. And roasting keeps the flavors in and nutrients more bioavailable. Extra virgin olive oil and my favorite spice blend. And a head of garlic. And set it on a baking sheet. So one large beet like this, a whole garlic clove, send into oven to roast for 40 minutes at 400. So let's start blending. So throw everything into a blender. A whole roasted garlic head. 1 can of cannellini beans. Tahini sauce. My favorite spice blend. Cannot do without. Freshly squeezed juice of half lemon. I'm not even talking, I'm holding my breath. I think it looks very pretty. Very summery. This is how healthy food looks like for me in my head. This is next level flavor and healing. Let's go. Let's make a twist, as I promised. Let's add it, my favorite spice blend. 16 different spices, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, little salt, and little lemon juice. By the way, I have a video how I make my homemade sauerkraut. I call it the real deal sauerkraut. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. Smells so good. I'm salivating. But watch what happens next. This is how you turn everyday boring vegetables into a satisfying, healing meal. Look at that. Just to remind me, the original recipe is in my cookbook. And this is, oops, next level perfection. We're gonna need about 2 large or maybe like 3 medium sweet potatoes. I peeled them already. When it comes to cups, because you cube them, right, so probably like 3-4 cups. Transfer to a bowl. Sprinkle with your favorite spice blend. I am using mine, which is a combination of 16 different herbs. Drizzle with a little bit of olive oil. Okay, we need a head of garlic. And set it to roast for 40 minutes with turning once or twice in between. We're going to set it to cool on the side. Meanwhile, we can start loading our blender with the rest of the ingredients. I'm using canned cannellini beans, drain but not rinse. The secret ingredient next, MCT oil, 2 tablespoons. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll start with juice of half lemon and see if we need more, we'll adjust it. Salt to taste. No meal is complete without 16 unique blends of my spices. And it is a part of my cookbook. So we transfer them right to the same blender. Hot, hot, hot. And I would still add definitely lemon juice. And this is how I love serving it, with one of my healing breads, flourless, gluten-free, yeast-free. Today I have a green buckwheat loaf. I do have a video how to make it. And if you want to check out my viral lentil quinoa buns, they're a part of my cookbook. Back to the dip itself. So I love serving it with toasted bread. Time to try it. This is actually very, very good. Creamy, a little sweet, a little tangy. Okay, you have to make this.